Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. This one we have a plus b plus c, and then we have a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. So in this situation, 8 that is about 1 minus s, b that is about s minus s square, c that is about s square minus number 1. Now if we put a, b, c go in here, we will have 1 minus s plus s minus s square plus s square minus 1, and this one equals to number 0. So because this one equals to number 0, that means this one in here should be equals to number 0. So the integration of this one should be about number 0 in here. And we have c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.